got some really cool Christmas boxes. They're actually kind of cute if you're into like a whole woodsy theme or green trees, but we're gonna redecorate it or redefine it so that you can use it for everyday use. And these are pretty sturdy. I actually got these for Christmas, but they also sell them at Joann Fabrics. I believe they're on sale for $5 right now because of like the New Year's sale. So yeah, let's get this and make it look pretty and for everyday use. With this gift box, I'm going to be spray painting the sides, the outside of it black, and then to up the scale a little bit, I wanted to add a decorative wooden feature to the side of it. I got these wooden trays from Dollar Tree. The base of them are pretty thin. I'm going to break the tray and then use the base to add it on the side of the decorative box. All right, let's get breaking. I took the broken pieces, measured where they marked on the box, then I used my X-Acto knife and I went in and scored it on both sides. After scoring them, they're able to break apart almost the exact markings. Then I used my medium grit sander and went real good on the edges to make that nice smooth edging. Then with the wooden pieces, I wanted to bring out the grain, so I applied some stain using my foam brush from Dollar Tree. I'll link the stain I used below. I got it from Home Depot. I only put one coat on all the pieces. The spray paint is dry. Now the real fun begins. I wanted to focus on the inside before adding the wooden pieces to the outside. On the inside, I want to jazz it up a little bit, give a little something, something, you know, make it more elegant. So, on the inside, I'm going to be using some felt I got from Dollar Tree. And to put the felt inside, just going to need some scissors and my hot glue gun. You can measure around the box to figure out how much you're going to need for the inside of the felt. I'm just going to wrap it around, and then for any edges that are ugly, just fold. Use a folding technique to hide it behind the fabric. Okay. Here I am doing my pseudo measuring technique, just wrapping it around and then going in and cutting the length, and then going into the box, finding the height, measuring and cutting the height. Now here's the folding technique. So now that the edges I cut, I'm just folding them and then putting super glue. So the top part is just a smooth straight line. You don't see the folding lines. And then going in, applying glue into the box, like a section at a time, and then going in and applying that fabric into the box. And just keep doing that around and around. Then towards the end, I just took my scissors, cut off the trim because I did do the pseudo measurement, so it was a little bit extra, and then folded it inside. Now the inside is done. So I wanted to add some depth and add some cushion to the bottom, so I took some leftover foam pieces, cut it to size, and then I just wrapped around that same fabric with some glue and super glue and inserted it. The felt is in, and it really did help upgrade the look of the box. Now it's time to put the stained wooden pieces on the outside. I'm just going to be using my hot glue gun, a little bit of super glue to give some support, clamps, and then paper clips to help it adhere. Let's get gluing. The wood is now dry. It definitely is a mood, especially with the matte black. Yeah, I really like the look of it. It definitely elevates it a lot better than that Christmas decoration box. And then with the felt on the inside, you see that felt? I am really digging this box. And then I created a fun one. I had some leftover metallic contact paper from a different project, so I just slapped that sucker on there. You can get contact paper from anywhere. Amazon, Walmart, Joann Fabrics, name it, they got it. The cool thing about these boxes is like the functionality of it. You can put anything in there. You can put pens, pencils, a nice watch in there, you know? So they can be used for anything, and it kind of gives it a better look than a Christmas decoration box. All right, on to the next one.